Welcome back and get ready to tease your taste buds with some amazing pick of recipes in today's Pinch of Health.
Hello everyone, this is Tarun here. Welcome to Pinch of Health. Today we are going to make potato sandwich with a healthy twist. Potatoes are everyone's favorite, they are easily available, and today's dish is dedicated for all you potato lovers. Let's check out the ingredients. So we have potatoes which are boiled and peeled. We have onions, we have fresh ginger, jalapenos and mixed bell pepper. And here's our star ingredient, multi-grain bread. So this dish is not basically for us, it's for kids as well. And I'm sure kids will love it. We are done with the chopping, now it's time to cook. So we'll start with olive oil. Just about 2 spoons. We'll start with chopped ginger, chopped onions, we will keep sauteing it until it turns into a little brown color. We'll add some chilies, green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Just look at that, the sizzling vegetables. You know, kids these days don't enjoy these vegetables, but if you will put them in their meals, I'm sure you will be happy that they will have a nutritious meal in the end. Now it's time to put our spices. A little teaspoon of red chili. Then we have turmeric and salt. Roasted cumin powder. So these spices will add a Indian touch to our recipe. The mixture is ready. Now we'll let it cool down and we'll take our potatoes. Grate the potatoes. You have to be very careful while grating potatoes because you might hurt your fingers. So just be careful. So I'll take about around 2 potatoes. So this is done. Now we'll add our cooked veggies into a grated potato. Just mash it thoroughly so that all the spices and potatoes are mixed properly. The potatoes are completely mixed with the veggies. Let's check the seasoning. Before we spread the mixture on the bread, we'll make the slurry. 2 spoons of flour, 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon of corn flour, a bit of salt, and little water here. So we'll make it a little thick so that it's easy to put the sesame seeds on the bread. Smooth and running. So we'll take the bread, potato mixture, spread it evenly on the bread. Now we'll close the bread. We'll take a slurry, white sesame seeds. Carefully spread the slurry on the top side of the bread here. Now we'll take our sesame seeds and we will coat it on the top side of the bread. Same with the other toast. And gently press the sesame seeds so that it perfectly sticks to the bread. Let's pour some oil on the pan. Now carefully we'll take our sesame coated potato sandwich and we'll put it upside down because we want to cook the sesame part first. Let's take another one. Gently press it down so that it grilled to perfection. Now it's time to flip this. Look at that, golden brown sesame crusted potato sandwich. Let's flip this also. Gently press this side as well. Here's our plate. Sandwich is ready. Now it's time to cut them into half. Can you hear the crunch? Look at that. Let's just keep it simple. Oh, look at that. Our potato sesame sandwich is ready. Now it's time for drink of the day. I've got a very amazing drink today, which is Nutty apple smoothie. It is a mix of nuts and apple, and there's a twist in that, which is going to be almond milk. Why almond milk? Because it has a good source of calcium, lactose free, and it has a very less sweet content. We'll start with apple. Remove the seeds. Let's take our jar. One apple. Handful of walnuts. Walnuts are a rich source of omega fats. Handful of almonds. Good for your memory. And here we have almond milk. 1 cup of milk is enough for the glass. Let's take a glass. For the garnish, I'm gonna chop some almonds. Some thin flakes of almond for the garnish. So let's pour. Some almonds to go with it on top. So I've not added any sugar in the drink. If you want, you can add honey, maple syrup, or any sweetener that you like. While I eat this, let's take a quick recap. Potato sandwich, our ingredient, multigrain bread. Chopped ginger, chopped onions. We'll add some chilies, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Teaspoon of red chili, turmeric, and salt. Roasted cumin powder. 2 potatoes. Now we'll add our cooked veggies into a grated potato. Just mash it thoroughly. 2 spoons of flour, 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon of corn flour, bit of salt, and little water here. So we'll take the bread. So we close the bread. Carefully spread the slurry on the top side of the bread. Sesame seeds. We will coat it. Gently press it down. Cut them into half. Oh, look at that. Our potato sesame sandwich is ready. Nutty apple smoothie. We'll start with apple. Remove the seeds. One apple. Handful of walnuts. Handful of almonds. Good almond milk. Some almonds to go with it on top. So my meal is ready. I can't wait to have this. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And this is me, Tarun, signing off. I'll see you next week with more exciting healthy recipes. Till then, take care and keep watching.